So okay, so we're back with Dash.
Are we rolling?
We're rolling.
Oh.
Now we have to restart the animation.
I'm sorry. Hi.
Okay, yeah. We've gone full pirate. We've gone full pirate with Dash. So we're in here now on in our Dart interface, and we would like to have this be stream-based because that is more sort of idiomatic to Dart and Flutter as opposed to just
Getting a
polling it.
single random,
If this were C++, polling something, a value would make more sense. But we have streams in Dart and Flutter, and they're great. So we would like to, we can keep all this that we have, I think. We just need a new method for subscribing to a stream, and then we're going to have to, in our Java land, our Java code over here, we're going to have to find a way to kick something out rather than just setting a thing here so that we can grab it when we want it. We want to actually kick a value out. So we'll need a method channel so that we can call a method in Dart to...
So there's actually an event channel class that allows you to hand a stream-like object to
Really?
Dart, and then you can do that.
Is that in the guide that I apparently didn't read all of?
That's part of the, there's like a, if you search, event channel.
Hold on. Maybe not there.
Flutter event channel.
There's,
docs.
oh my goodness.
There we go.
Whoa. Oh, that's the Java
It's
end of it,
all
which
Java.
splits in the Java doc style. I was like, did we just go to another company? What happened? What did we just do? Okay, so there's Java involved. We know that.
Yes.
That Dart ape, there we go. A name channel for community.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were looking for the actual Dart version.
No, I was not. I was
Okay.
looking for this. I just clicked on the wrong thing. Interesting. I've never had call to use this yet. This kind of drives home, we're talking about how that you won't spend that much time developing plugins like this because normally, the Flutter team is behind a whole bunch of them and the community makes even more. This, my embarrassment kind of just drives home that point.
Well, no, I guess it just shows that, even we're not writing plugins most of the time.
Yeah,
so.
that is true. We'll tell you what. Why don't we switch seats again?
Okay.
And why don't you show me how it's done?
All right, cool.
Okay.
Back on the laptop of coding. Okay, so let's start with Dart.
Sure.
So we're going to wait. Is this our example? No.
That's the app.
Okay.
That's the example app.
Okay. Where is our Dart? Here we go. Okay. So we have a method channel.
Mhm.
Let's also declare a event channel. Static const event channel.
How long have you been working with Dart now, actually?
I want to say not consecutively, but a total of 5 years.
Wow. Okay. I feel less bad for not knowing this now, since I've been working with Dart for 6 months now.
All right. Okay, so let's call this, we'll call it barometer stream, maybe?
Pressure stream, maybe?
Pressure stream.
That'll make us, because we're just so
Sounds-
metal,
Yeah, that's so hardcore.
Yeah.
Okay. And now, so in our initialize, I think we also need to initialize this. Oh, wait.
Well, you already initialized it right there,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Sorry. Okay, so now we need to have our Dart method that returns a stream. So
Okay.
it should just be static stream. We want a stream of the
Yeah, doubles would be
readings.
fine.
And then what do we want to call this?
This will be a getter.
Pressure stream.
Pressure values, pressure, what do you... Pressure stream is fine.
Okay. Async. If I can type.
So we have, okay, so we're defining a getter. So that is a little teeny function that'll return a stream of doubles. And the function, the getter itself, is that going to be asynchronous or is it going to?
It's not.
Okay.
Because, sorry, I was in future mode. No, the getter is just returning a stream, and the stream will
Right.
receive updates. And
But I mean, all our other methods are async too, right?
Right, that's why I was initially, but then it says that the results, if you have async, the result has to be a future. And we don't want a future because the stream is going to be getting this.
So we don't want a future of a stream.
Yeah,
we just want the stream.
The interesting question is with this invoking method, is that asynchronous? I don't think so.
Well, so I mean, the other calls are asynchronous because you have to pass a message into
And then it has
the
to
other
do-
side. But we're just going to return. I assume the event channel itself exposes a stream.
Yeah, but we're going to have to pass a message to Java to say, give me the stream.
Okay, but
I think we should be able to just get away with the stream.
okay, let's start and static analysis will let us know when we're wrong.
Or, failing to get a number.
Yeah.
That might work too. Okay, so then channel, I can type,
Wait, event channel? Do you mean?
thank you. You are on top of things here.
I'm paying attention because I don't know what's going on.
I think, do we just return? No. There's,
Receive broadcast stream?
yeah.
I was looking for the word stream. That's like
Now this is gonna oh, this is not VS Code. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see. Event
It's the
channel.
downside to have having official support for so many editors.
Okay, so stream. We just return stream. So we just
Okay,
return
perfect.
that. Great.
And is that a typed function? Or are we getting a stream of dynamic?
Oh, right. So yes. And actually, okay, here's the thing. I think we should have a stream variable and only initialize it once because we don't need like multiple. If multiple people, or if we subscribe to the stream, we don't need a separate Java object.
And it says it's a broadcast stream, which can handle multiple listeners, right?
True.
Okay.
Yeah. So let us declare. Just make everything static. This is great. It's not const stream double. No, I was gonna say pressure stream. Yeah, pressure stream. Okay, and then we'll say we can return. Oh, I'll just do it. Return pressure stream. If not null, and then we're gonna call this thing. So if oh wait, we need to assign that.
Okay.
Let's see. Oops. Question equals. No. Conditions with
Is there a double question mark equals? That is cool.
Oh, you didn't know about that? Oh yeah, that's a newish feature. But yeah, basically it's saying like, if this is null, do the thing. Otherwise, just have the value. So now we will turn
Interesting.
pressure stream. That should work. Okay, so now we've got all our Dart stuff. Do we want to delve into the Java?
So on the Java side, we'll have to so we have method channels on both sides. So we would need event channels on both sides too, right?
Yes, yes.
All right.
So I think you clicked on. Oh my gosh, it's Java!
We'll find our way eventually.
Yeah. So
Yeah, let's
do a little bit of that.
yeah, let's I mean you should keep going.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So in here we're going to register our event channel.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
So we're in the register with method. For those of you who saw us last time, we talked about this a little bit. This is where this is called when the plugin is sort of first spun up. And so this is the, hey, get ready, I'm going to make some calls on you, and I want some data from you. So this is where it registers that method channel, so it can receive method channel requests to run methods. And then
Import it, and I'm sure there's a shortcut for this that I am.
Alt-Enter, yeah.
All right, so there's that.
I'm sure there's one in VS Code too,
Yes,
but I don't know.
there is.
I used to use Visual Studio all the time, and I
Okay,
stopped.
an event channel.
We have event sync and stream handler.
Okay. So here we have our messenger. Oh, it's basically the same stuff. So registrar.messenger, and the name of the thing that we want. Yeah. Okay. And then, okay, so then we want to set this barometer plugin as the handler for that. So I think there's a set something handler or like stream handler, event channel.
Set stream handler? Okay.
It's like it's almost just exactly what I said. Event channel dot set stream handler, and it's gonna be
This.
Now, wait a minute. So why did we do a new here instead of, oh, it's a static. Okay.
Yeah.
Do we want the same object? No, probably not. A separate one in case. What I'm saying is like, do we want to
I see what you're saying. We're going to want to have...
independent? I think so.
No, I caught up with you. Yeah, so you're going to want to like capture the... Wait. That's going to give us 2 separate instances of the plugin.
That's what I was just asking.
Yeah, no. What I was going to say is we should capture...
You're the same.
Pull that into a local variable, and then...
Great.
Yeah. No, you had it right to begin with.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. So
And then we're
there's
going to
that.
need to...
Oh, wait.
Do we need an interface that we have to...
Oh, right. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so stream handler expects stream handler, so I'm going to say implements stream handler. No? Oh, yes. Okay. So now, all right, so to implement stream handler, we must go deeper. We have on cancel and on listen. And
okay.
just like any other
Just
little
like any other stream, when somebody wants to listen, this is what you... Okay.
Okay, so let's implement those things. Now, what is it I'm happy about here?
It's the API level that I still haven't fixed.
Okay. All right, so
It's the one line change that I'm really busy,
on cancel. I'm sure is it Alt Enter something for it to be like it. Help me, Andrew. What is it? Too late. I'm typing it. Arguments. And then why is it not?
For this, I think it's Control I too.
Oh. All right. You need to access. Put your public-private things. I'm such a dark.
Try Control I and see if that works. Boom.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Good job, IntelliJ or Android Studio.
It reminds me that we're missing the override keyword on the others, but don't worry about it. And the ones from 2 weeks ago, but
Okay, great.
clearly optional.
So that is. So now we need to implement these. We are going to basically when we have this stream that we have initialized somewhere. Where did it go? What is this? Oh, API. Okay. So we have our event channel. Is this API? Okay. So we want to tell it when we listen that we can start putting readings
Okay.
into this stream.
So yeah, let's look. What are the parameters on listen? So that's arguments that we,
Event
I guess, don't really care about.
Yeah, because I think we don't have any arguments because we just want the. So.
And then that's what we want. So we get this sync that we can put stuff in.
So I guess we need to. I think we need to make an event sync, and this is what we are going to be passing back to Dart.
Do we wait? I thought we got one in the signature of the function.
Oh, sorry. Oh, on listen. Oh, yes. Okay.
Oh, it's much easier than making one.
Okay. So we are going to we have our event sync, and we need to read from it. No, we need to tell it that we have. Wait. Okay. Hold on. On listen is calling what? or is getting called when?
So that gets called when.
When we are setting it up, set stream handler.
Okay.
So we're saying this plugin is now listening.
Okay.
And so now we're saying.
So we need to keep that so we can use it, right?
Yes.
The event sync.
And so ultimately we're gonna say
That's what we're gonna do, right? So okay. So we have our onListen method means somebody is listening and they give us a thing to send them data. So we got to put that somewhere. Like we need like an M event sync.
Yes.
Right?
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna take. So we're gonna take this M event sync that we've got and then make one. So M event sync. We'll make one.
There should be an event sync class. That should exist. There we go.
What do I do?
It's Alt and Enter.
Is it functional?
Option, sorry, because we're on a Mac. Option and Enter. There we go.
No.
What just happened?
I did Option Enter.
Okay, no, that works.
Okay.
Um,
All right. So we have this, and we want to. Okay, we need to back up for a second.
sure.
So when back in our Dart code, we've got this is our example. This. So we're saying, I would like to get the broadcast stream. Don't we need to? So okay, and then in here we're going to create the stream object that we're passing to Dart. Correct?
I thought we just got one.
From onListen.
Oh, sorry,
Right?
I thought you'd switch back to the other Dart file.
Oh, sorry. I did briefly. So I just want to talk at a high level of like the process of moving things. So we've got.
We're going to say, on Dart, we're going to say, give me a stream from the registrars, the plugin management system.
Yes.
That's going to go to the Java class and say, hey, somebody wants a stream, and it's going to call onListen, right?
Yes. And so I guess my question is, when onListen is called, we're putting the events from where are the events coming in? That's where I'm unclear.
Oh, sure, because we covered that one in the other episode. So that would be in on sensor change.
On sensor change. So when onListen comes, we're constructing this event sync, and are we just putting this M latest reading into event sync?
I think so. It's giving us the event sync. We would hold it at that point and then use it.
Just add.
And then we would use it up here to just dump doubles into.
I see. Okay, got it.
I think.
So M.
We'll find out.
Yes. So just like this.
Yeah, I think so. And then you can just take that line and move it up to the other one, to where it says M latest reading. Yeah, just success yourself a double. Event values. Oh, or yeah, that's even better.
Now, is there any
we might want to
be adding this
check
typing
We should probably check that it's not null there, because otherwise, if they haven't listened yet, we will immediately crash.
Oh, events and yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Were we smart enough to do this with Kyla, we could just make it a type save call
I'm in Java
or null
here.
save call.
Not equal to null.
So if we
Yeah.
have an event sync, use it, and then on cancel, we could just null out.
Yeah, and event sync equals null. Gone.
Okay, well that's cool.
Well, let's see.
Save and builds. The old build test.
Oh, and yeah, okay, so we're gonna see if it compiles, but then we have to actually, in our example app, use that.
Actually use the stream, otherwise nothing will ever get
So
called.
do you have your Android simulator open?
I do, somewhere.
Yeah, there it is. Okay.
Hopefully it will not crash or anything. Okay, so yeah, that's a good idea. Just build it once and make sure everything.
Yeah. So we're not gonna right now. We're not gonna see anything on the from the stream
Mm-hmm.
because we haven't hooked it up in our example app. But we're just making sure that we don't get horrible runtime errors.
Incremental changes.
Yes. Because we didn't write a test. So
Yeah.
this is our test right now. While that's building, let's jump over to our example. So what we want to do here.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, things happen.
Great. Initialize barometer. No implementation found. For initialize barometer? Do we want to... you've run this on Android?
Mm-hmm.
Do we want to... This seems not related to the code the changes I was making.
No, let's go look at the plugin real quick and just make sure that nothing got wonky. So scroll down a little bit. Initialize barometer is right there.
Initialize barometer. Yeah, that looks good.
That's unusual.
This is going well. I'm gonna stash my changes and then just try and run it.
Just make sure that it works.
Yeah, make sure it's not me.
That would be great if we were actually in a Git repo. Sometimes I just make an extra copy of the project for funsies.
Wait. But why don't you just do a git clone and another
know.
copy? Okay. Well,
that one's on me.
this is getting exciting.
Wait, why is it running now?
I don't even... Oh, no, that's not what I want to do. I wanted to clear the console. Where's can you clear this console?
Double click.
Oh, is it the
two
trash?
finger click and you can clear.
Clear. Oh, there we go. I just wanted to... Let's try again. Maybe we can do a full restart to... No, there's something going on. Yeah. And by the way, here's our pressure.
Still at 1,000. So that's there.
I feel like there must be some typo. Initialize barometer.
We could always close Android Studio and clean the project and reopen it,
Okay.
just to be sure.
I really wish this were a Git repo. wait. Here's another thought. What if we check out a Git repo and do a diff?
That's true. But I don't know what else. I mean, we literally ran this like 45 minutes ago.
You ran the iOS version.
No, I ran the Android one too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so close this.
Confirm exit.
Confirm.
Terminate. And then I think you can go into, if you do, no, I mean right here in the terminal, I think you can go do
just Flutter run.
just cd example, I think. And then do Flutter clean, which I think is a command.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we can open Android Studio again.
Oh, it could have just run from the command.
Oh yeah, you could do that. Flutter run. We have a -d Android probably, because we have a boatload of it.
Yeah. Is it?
Android should work, I think. The dot?
I thought it was like run from the... I guess that just... Okay.
Back before I didn't know that much about Flutter and I was working on the AdMob plugin, I had to do it this way because I didn't know any better. I had like 3 editors open at all times and 4 simulators trying to make sure all the little ads showed up where they were supposed to. You're killing me, Dart.
Okay. Initialize barometer. Maybe I accidentally deleted something when we were editing? Oh wait, I closed that. Okay, time to... Android Studio. Do we want to call this?
Yeah, we might have to.
They're yanking us off the...
Yeah, this is our Looney Tunes cartoon. The big hook would be coming for us. Okay. You want to like comment out the event channel stuff? Just see what's.
Sure.
We had to have made a I assume made a mistake in here somewhere.
I feel like rather than that, I suspect like I accidentally like deleted something when I was typing. Somehow selected something. Because let's see here. Initialize barometer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's remove our event channel. And this is so sad.
And somebody's going to put a comment on this and tell us that it's just in another tab. It's like the barometer pressure sensor on the simulator.
Do I have?
And
this thing.
comment on this as well. Is there? Scroll up a little bit.
I feel so unsafe developing not in a Git repo.
I know. Still messing
and take
with
this out. Okay. Yeah.
I mean, you can't still like go because we have this code on GitHub, and it is possible to go look at what it was before today started. So that's possible.
Yeah, that's what I was saying is pull down a separate repo and diff.
Oh, so you suggested the exact thing, and then I just repeated your idea like 2 minutes later.
It's okay. It's okay.
Takes me a while sometimes.
You were debugging in your head.
Yeah.
So.
That was
Okay, so it is something.
Wait. No.
It is something that I added. What the heck? That is
cray.
Okay, so let us add back the Java.
Oh, wait. Those aren't supposed to have the same name, are they?
Oh my god.
That should be pressure stream. That's what it is. I remember thinking when you were in Dart to look for that, and I didn't think to look here when we switched over. But it must be that's overwriting the string.
Yeah,
so somewhere
type is
somewhere in the registrar there's a giant map, I assume, of string to channel.
Good catch.
Okay. So we'll uncomment everything, immediate success.
And everything is going to work, yeah.
We'll go bake a cake. Puppies will appear.
Dash will
fly off into the night.
into the low pressure. Okay, wait. What did we import here? Or implement?
Event something. Stream handler? Was that it? No.
Where did this go? Where did this go? Barometer plugin. Yep. So this set stream handler.
That must be stream handler.
I thought it was. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay. I was gonna say I thought there was a little more to it.
And then that, I think that needs to be uncommented.
Thank you.
No problem. As I continue my rampant backseat coding.
Hey, I'm clearly making mistakes here, so.
That's okay.
Okay, so now, phew. Okay, so now, lastly, before the hook really pulls me off stage, let's add a little into our example app.
Mm-hmm.
And that will be good. So this is our main, and so we want. Let us. How about we just? Is this a state?
Do you want to just throw a stream builder on it?
Yeah.
Just like below everything else, just like and a stream builder, or something like that.
Okay. Or I was just gonna. Yeah. Okay. Great.
Or if you have a better idea, go for it. Don't let me stop
No,
you.
let's do that. So we have this column. This is gonna be beautiful. So we're gonna have raise, and then stream builder, and then stream is what did we call everything? Is it barometer dot? Where are you even calling it?
Barometer dot pressure stream.
Is it underscore barometer? I'm not seeing where this is being defined.
Did you Did it get commented out in the barometer?
Barometer's here. Where are we calling it? Oh, capital barometer.
Oh,
Woo! Okay, and then...
that one I definitely should have remembered. It's not...
Oh my gosh.
Context and async snapshot of double, I think. I only know that because I've been doing a lot of stuff with streams recently.
And this is where VS Code has a little... You can
Oh,
just,
really?
Type exact, yeah.
I wonder if this
is why I love it.
Okay. If anybody knows how to make
It's
that
probably
just
Command I.
yeah.
It's probably like Alt-I.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Maybe one of the commenters that's still with us can let us know. Because I often request features of the IntelliJ plugin team, and they're like, yeah, we already have that. You just don't know the keystring.
Yes, I do. Yes. I feel like IntelliJ has a lot of things. You just need to know where they are.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we are going to if snapshot dot that was not
Is that not what you were looking for though?
snapshot dot has data. Let's see, return text pressure stream snapshot dot data, and then we'll say no data because apparently it's the 1980s again.
Yeah, sure. All right. Is
and
that... So we probably need to rebuild the whole
well, and
thing?
actually,
Oh.
wait, because
I say that's not going to rebuild the Java, right?
oh yeah, let's just kill all this.
Yeah.
Okay. Back to full Android Studio mode. But there's going to be a type error. Let's see, what was it complaining about? Well, I guess we'll find out shortly. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Okay, never mind. No, I was just thinking...
No, there we go.
Okay, broadcast stream, dynamic is not subtype and type stream, double.
Okay.
So, I think we need to do a little typing, because pressure stream...
wait, where's the method where you get the as broadcast or receive broadcast stream?
On Java?
Yeah.
That's where I was
no,
asking
in the Dart, in barometer.dart. I remember wondering if I...
Oh.
So where there's add, can you, like, command click on receive broadcast stream? Does that have a type parameter on it?
Dynamic.
No, it does not. Okay.
So, do we need to do a cast, like .as?
Do a .map or
dot
yeah, map
yes,
would be the thing to do, I think.
Okay. So, goodbye, little fancy thing here. If pressure stream equals null. So I guess we can do this all one line, but whatever. So we're gonna map our value and map to double.
Yeah, I think that's the
value.
That's the business.
Great. And then we'll just assign that to pressure stream. Okay. Okay, and now we can use this. Let's see, moment of truth here.
Oh my god. Flutter victory. We rule air pressure.
You are now ready to use this app to help you measure your air pressure.
Yeah, we're ready for the hot air balloon now.
Fly high.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay.
So
let's,
victory.
yeah, we definitely need to declare victory and get out of here. Let's talk about everything we just did. So
yes.
we came in and there was a desk and we sat
we
down.
added an iOS app using good old Objective-C. Then we attempted to publish the package, and we ran into an error, which we are going to look into and get back with you. Or someone's going to be like, you forgot a semicolon.
Someone will tell us worry.
And then we streamified the Java version. I think that the last step, well, there's two last steps, would be to streamify the iOS version.
So we still need to do that, which we might. I mean, we might just go on
Yeah, 'cause
in
you
a couple
guys might
weeks,
get
but we
it.
should hopefully one or both of us will have time to finish this up and get it up on get up in a a finished state. Maybe Dash can do that.
Yes, she's good at Conquest.
Yeah.
And then just a little cleanup. Maybe actually adding a test.
Yeah, we talked about method channels versus event channels, which I learned about, having not known about them. Cool. All right. I think
If
that's
you're
about
still
it.
here,
Yeah.
you should win a prize.
There you go. All right, guys. We'll see you in a couple weeks. Hope you enjoyed it.
Bye.